Yo, what's up guys? We're here with my best friend SCL Goat. How's it going?
Good, can't complain.
Are you ready for some showdown? You're gonna be pushing. You're gonna be
Showdown.
pushing.
Okay.
Who are you pushing? 8-bit.
No, 8-bit's not a. I don't push him in showdown. So
Why not M? Don't you have a like power name?
yeah, let's try M's.
Okay. We can see.
Okay, ready up.
Okay, I'm gonna ready. Okay, so strategies we're going for some boxes.
Okay. Okay.
Just go for boxes, and we push together to fight, okay?
Don't push alone like you always do.
Nah, man.
Okay.
Okay,
I go for this one.
I'm coming with you. Okay, so what has been your highlight of the new season so far? Of the records? You think it's good or you think it's bad?
I think it's a bit easier than Mastery. I'm
Yeah,
not sure if you agree,
it's not bad, but oh yeah, oh thanks, no. Come here, come here.
Okay, that was stupid.
Oh hell no.
You just stay back.
Yeah, the Ette jumped on you.
No, really. Come back.
Okay.
There he comes. Easy.
Okay, Tukelet's firing at me. Oh
It
snap,
could
the
jump.
Ikke. It's fine, it's fine. We have him, we have him.
Just wasted my super, but...
It's fine, fine. He was clapped.
Oh, you're cooking.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come back. That's why I told you I should get Spike level 11, but he said, oh bro, he's bad.
Okay, there's one more down.
Okay, that was stressful because me as El Primo main. No, you know how much El Primo Super is gonna do, you know?
No.
And his iPad. Oh no. Oh, Willow is solo.
Okay. The Hank's right here.
What? Dip.
Okay, what a miss.
El Primo's jumping on you. Spades. Spray.
Nothing I can do there.
Isn't that El Primo's name? Spade. What name is that? Spade. Oh, 10 gems. Okay, that's crazy. I wanna buy Spike's Hyper.
Much,
Wait, when do I get coins? I'll get coins. Let's see quest. Hold up. Play again. We should say play again, okay?
Okay.
Okay, we'll just do play again.
Great, I'm gonna re-roll a quest quickly.
Oh yeah, I have reroll. Thanks. What am I rerolling? Penny. I don't play Penny. This is bad. Oh, I don't play Maisie as well. We play Warzone and duels, but now we're just playing Showdown. Say play again after this match, okay?
I won't exit.
Don't exit. Oh, I hate it when it takes so long to load.
Yeah.
Okay. The new brawler, did you see her?
Yeah, that's her. I thought it was he.
it's a Ali.
Okay.
Wait, you're using the rip title.
Say again?
Are you using the Rest in Peace Mastery title to rip?
Yep.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's a nice one, but yeah, everybody's using it though. Those who don't have Mastery titles.
Yeah, I almost have 8-bits, but...
Yeah, 8-bit's not bad,
Yeah, no,
but
it's garbage.
it's not bad. It's just you have to know what it says or something like that. Oh hell no.
I'll figure it out.
Okay, go.
Oh.
Okay, run. I just want you to run. Okay, but remember after this match we say play again. Just go sit there. I'm back in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, go for that box. Okay, no.
No, okay. Wait.
Wait, use that gadget, yeah. Oh.
Too far.
Dinah could have taken some damage. Now, at the moment, I'm playing well. Oh, heck no. watch out for the 8-bit. You're 8-bit main, man.
Yeah.
Even though you have high rob, that ain't high rob, man. I'm telling you.
It's Gold's annoying.
Gold is annoying. Oh.
Frank is.
Okay. Push. Okay, don't let him. Gadget. Oh yeah, what a gadget. That was such a nice gadget there by you. Good gadget there by you.
Thank you. I know.
I'll force you gadget.
It's charge.
Okay. We're trying to hit maybe a gadget on the code to the 8-bit. Just watch. Yeah, on the front. Gadget did wow at the beginning. 8-bit's almost gone. Okay, he's gone. Okay, sit here. Wait. Okay, no.
Okay, I'm coming. Show it on.
Oh, my super. Okay, that worked out. Dyna slow. Dynasty Mike, let's go. Play again. I have quest. What quests do you have?
Just defeat 15 enemies in Showdown.
Oh, okay, it's fine. How much have you defeated?
I need 3 more.
3 more, okay, so I'll try and get you that quest then. You guys should maybe check out Ishal Goat's channel. Yeah. Doesn't have it yet, but he's gonna create it. Yeah, he's my best friend IRL. I'm not gonna say his name, neither am I gonna say my name, but yeah, he's my best friend IRL. So yeah, he's gonna create a channel, I hope. Yeah, I'm lagging a bit. Yeah, I'm gonna put his channel link in the comments if you guys wanna check it out.
Yeah. So, what do you think is gonna happen with your channel? I think it's gonna go viral.
It's not bad. My channel is kinda doing good. I created like a few weeks ago. Okay, get it. No? It's fine. Just fine. Yeah, mine's doing pretty decent. Like, every video I'm getting at least over 100 likes, you know? 100 likes, sorry. 100 views.
It's not bad.
Okay, I'm dead. That's not 10, sorry. I focused on the max. You carrying, okay. Use your gadget if the crow pushes you.
Oh.
Okay, don't let him get a hit, okay. Okay, I'm back into 1 gadget. Okay, I thought it was, I don't know what gadget he plays, but I thought he played the gadget where he could jump, so I thought he was gonna jump over your gadget. Woof, that was a lot. Okay, if you can gadget again, that'd be big.
Too far from my gadget.
Okay. It's fine, search state. Could use that by the gadget.
Come on.
Oh heck no, I'm dead. The crow though. Okay, but we can say return. Yeah.
Exit.
Okay, let's see how I get out of starter. Oh, it's just a rare. I ate it. Hey, I pulled KO at least.
Okay, what are we playing now?
I think we're gonna be going for some knockouts. I don't know. Let me just suggest you real quick. Damn.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe play 8-bit knockout. He's a knockout brawler, and you have him power 11.
Yeah.
And iPad. How far are you with his matches?
I have his player icon. I just need
The title.
Yeah, title.
It's not bad. I mean, his title is what? SYSO663 something.
Yeah,
something like that. Yeah. Frog. Yeah. We can play some ranked as well.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm actually gonna gadget right here in the middle to block the fight. Okay, please. Okay, don't die. I got you, bro. Oh, heck, no. 1v1 clutch, imagine. 1v1, 3v1. Okay, Oh, okay. I'm dead. I hate Edgar so much. We both have a max tier, but
Just because it's easy to get.
yeah, he's such an easy brawler to play though. Like that time was stupid, you know. I played Edgar because he makes you feel good, you know. Okay, that pipe is on me. Me too. Don't worry. I think I got a hit on the piper. Spike's gadget is so good. Yeah, good job. Just keep control. Okay, our pipe is dead. Okay, pipe. Okay. Don't get shot by that piper. Okay. I sacrifice myself.
Just the pipe for now.
Okay. Pipe is low. Okay. We need to win. Okay. It's up to you. Okay. Yes, good job. Super. So yeah, okay. We're doing the same. Okay, I'm gonna super when they push you. Okay, the Edgar is always gonna push at this, from this side. So just watch. Okay, the Edgar is hyper, so just watch out.
Right.
You jump. It's fine. You regret it. He's low.
I healed again.
No, I hate our Edgar. He just heals every time you hit him. Okay, watch out for the Pipers. Please. If our Piper had a super. Okay, it's just me and you. Hyper for you, hyper down.
Wait.
Pull some control. Yeah. Good job. That was crazy.
Where's Eka now?
He's in the bush. Okay, hold up. Piper was busy taking down your turret. Oh, heck no. She's gone. She was instantly wiped. Easy. Okay, he's gonna jump. We're trying to waste his jump now.
Yeah.
Okay. Just beam him. Crazy. Good job.
There we go. Star player,
Obviously. Cooked.
Okay. It's a nice one.
Okay. It was nice playing with you, but I don't want the video to be too long, so we're just gonna cut it from here. So yeah, thanks. And we'll see you in the next one. Okay, cheers.